Yo, I'm about to share with you how much YouTube paid me for my highest viewed video. Welcome to Team Go Mode. It's your man Earl, Batman Stringer. Now I see a lot of videos popping up on YouTube saying like, yo, how much YouTube paid me? How much YouTube paid me for this video? How much YouTube paid me after a year? So I was like, you know what? Let me make a video similar to it, alright? So I've decided I'm going to do a video sharing with people how much money I got paid for my highest viewed video on this channel. Now I have several YouTube channels, but I'm just gonna talk about this one. All right, now my highest viewed video on this channel is over 49,000. all right, now with that I've earned $291 from that video. Now that sounds really good and that is dope, but keep in mind that video has been out a while and that money obviously has been spread out, right? So you get like $20 here this month, 15, 20, 30, 20. So it adds up to around $291. Now, here's something that's pretty cool too. There's another video that actually made more money on my channel, but it has less views. So if you take a look, you see here this video, which is actually my second highest view video, but it's at 45,000 views, and this video has made me $331, which is what, 40 more dollars than the other video. So it goes to show you that like each video has its own earning potential, right? And here's something else about these two videos. The one video, which is my highest viewed video at 49,000, this is a video that was about selling on eBay. This came out several years ago and it's pretty much damn near plateaued. You know what I'm saying? Like it don't get a lot of views anymore, where the other video, right, is about a work from home job opportunity from Appen. This video still gets views every single day, and ultimately this video I believe is gonna pass up my eBay video, sooner or later, because this Appen video gets constant views and that's great. So there you have it. Hopefully this video motivates you to get going with your YouTube channel and keep pushing and start earning money from your content, because this definitely motivates me, right, to do more and to make more. All right, but YouTube ads is not the only way that I make money online. You want to check out another way? Watch this video right here, right now.